Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make a functional seedling pot out of a hydrogen peroxide bottle. The first thing you need to do is spin the bottle around several times. Then get your trusty Hunt's ketchup utility knife. Make an even cut around the lip, and if you notice, you can cut it as high as you want. I always like it to make it as deep as possible so the roots can penetrate deep into the soil. Make sure to use a sharp knife, because if you use a dull knife, you'll be pulling hard on that knife and you could jam it into your leg or something. Anyway, so now we got to drill drainage holes in the bottom, which is very important. Without drainage holes, you're just making a cup and your plants will die. So just drill a few holes in the bottom. I usually do 4 or 5. It's kind of difficult to drill with the camera like that. Keep it upright. Well, that was very painful. So let's return to what we were doing. So I guess drill another hole or two. If you notice in pots, they have lots of holes, the little ones especially, because you don't want your plants to be sitting in the water because they'll drown. Oh, almost did it again. Anyway, make sure to drill plenty of holes. And maybe you have a more reasonable drill than I do. A Dremel would be good. But you do need big enough holes that'll drain properly. So anyway, so there's your finished product pretty much. You can go ahead and cut all the shavings off, but plenty of drainage. Just go ahead and fill that with soil. You can put seeds. You can put a pre-existing plant already in there. For example, like this. Threw a bunch of seeds in there and the roots are coming out of the bottom. I'm going to stick this in the garden and see what happens. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and or subscribe and or send money directly. Thank you. Bye.